We'll talk a little bit about duality and paradox, contradiction and time and vibration, change, circles. So, all these waves, all these apparently disconnected phenomena are actually deeply connected. We'll explore this in the videos to come. So, spirituality is full of paradoxical phenomena which seem to contradict themselves. For example, the goal of all spirituality, which is enlightenment, requires the transcendence of the ego. But it is the dissatisfaction of the ego that births the desire for transcendence of the ego. So, in fact, the mother of spirituality is what spirituality is trying to go beyond. It's a sort of self consuming phenomenon. The spiritual pursuit is the pursuit of the ending of the spiritual pursuit, because all desires seek desirelessness. The duality of desire and desirelessness. So desire and desirelessness are attempting to merge. Desire is tending towards desirelessness, because every desire that arises seeks to be satisfied and therefore to return to the state of desirelessness. So that's one paradox. The paradox that you're trying to transcend that which wants to transcend. Another paradox is the paradox of silence. Because actually, if I don't say a word, I'll be conveying much more than saying all these things. Because the absolute truth is beyond words. Words arise in the absolute truth, but the absolute truth is present before, during, and after any word that has been uttered. So, in order to point to silence, we use words in abundance, in excess, in fact. We become verbose. You know, entire books are written about that which cannot be spoken about. So, we speak for hours about that which cannot be spoken about, which is yet another paradox in spirituality. Yet another paradox, which is at the core of spirituality, is the paradox of time. So, if you look at your experience right now, the now, the present moment is the only experience you ever have. Even the things you imagine as the future, the things you remember as the past, are remembered or imagined now. So, the images that constitute memory and imagination, the impressions that constitute memory and imagination are experienced now, even though the source of those impressions might have been in the past. So, experientially, there is only the now. Yet, anything takes time, any action takes time. The very presence of experience requires time because any form that you perceive is vibrating energy. When energy vibrates, it takes a form. And for there to be any vibration, there have to be two states that the system is moving between. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. That's like if A and B are the two possible states, then you have the possibility of vibration. A becomes B, B becomes A becomes B, B becomes A, repeatedly. That is the phenomenon of time. So vibration requires time.